Convicted killer Brendan Dassey's mother testified about a number of issues today during the final day of her son's hearing requesting a new trial.
However, throughout the hearing, Brendan himself never testified. Dassey and his uncle, Stephen Avery, were convicted in the 2005 murder of Teresa Halbach. Dassey's attorneys are arguing their client should get a new trial because his former attorneys made some bad decisions on Dassey's behalf. Fox 11's Becky DeVries has our balanced coverage.
I wanted Brendan to tell us the truth.
Sergeant Investigator Mark Wiegert told the court about interviewing and interrogating Brendan Dassey during the police investigation into Teresa Halbach's death. During one of those interviews, Dassey gave details about his role in the murder. Wiegert said he read Dassey his rights, including the right not to answer questions and the right to an attorney.
That's great.
Wiegert also said Dassey and his mother knew that during certain statements, she could be in the room if they wanted.
It was her decision. She made the decision not to be. It didn't matter to me one way or another.
But when Dassey's mother took the stand, she said it really wasn't her decision.
Did you try to join him?
I tried, but they more or less told me that it was in my best interest to go wait in a waiting room because that Brendan was going to give them a gruesome story.
Barb, did the officers tell you that you shouldn't be in the room with Brendan?
Yes.
After Dassey's arrest, one of his former attorneys was working with investigators on a plea deal where Dassey would testify against Stephen Avery in exchange for a lighter sentence. Dassey's mother said a plea deal was up to her son, and she couldn't say how other family members influenced his decision. Prosecutors played part of a jail phone conversation between Dassey and his grandfather.
Don't go for a pre-bargain or this and that. Yeah. Because you do that, then you're hurting both of you guys. Yeah.
Dassey's mother also testified Brendan told her he lied about the statements he gave to police because police put ideas in his head. Judge Jerome Fox explained to Dassey it was his right to testify at the hearing, but Dassey decided not to.
Yeah, I'm not going to testify.
Attorneys will now file briefs, and in the next couple of months, the judge will issue his decision as to whether or not Brendan Dassey will be granted a new trial. In Manitowoc, Becky DeVries, Fox 11 News.